Ever feel like your money vanishes faster than ice cream on a hot Ibadan afternoon? You meticulously plan your budget, maybe even jot it down in a fancy notebook, but by midweek, you're staring blankly at your account wondering where it all went. You're not alone. Sticking to a budget, especially a weekly one, can feel like trying to catch smoke. But what if there was a tool that could not only help you create that budget but practically hold your hand as you navigate each week, gently nudging you away from those tempting impulse buys? That tool, my friends, might just be Rocket Money. Now, you might have heard of Rocket Money, formerly Truebill, as that app that helps you cancel unwanted subscriptions, and yes, it's fantastic at that. But beneath the surface, it's a surprisingly powerful ally in the quest for weekly budget mastery. Think about it, a weekly budget offers a fantastic level of control. It's a shorter time frame, making it easier to visualize and manage your spending. Instead of looking at a daunting monthly figure, you're dealing with bite-sized chunks. This can be incredibly motivating and help you identify spending leaks much faster. But the challenge lies in the execution. How do you consistently track your spending, know exactly how much you have left for the week, and avoid those just this once purchases that derail your entire plan? This is where Rocket Money steps in, acting as your digital budgeting companion. It connects directly to your bank accounts and credit cards, giving you a real-time overview of your financial activity. No more manual entries or frantic calculations on a Friday evening. So, how exactly can you leverage Rocket Money to conquer your weekly budget? Let's dive into some practical strategies. 1. Setting up your weekly budget with Rocket Money. The first step, of course, is to actually create your weekly budget within the app. Rocket Money allows you to categorize your spending: groceries, transportation, entertainment, dining out, and so on. You can either let Rocket Money's smart categorization do its initial work and then fine-tune it, or you can set up your categories from scratch. Here's the key for a weekly budget: instead of setting monthly limits, you'll want to think in terms of your weekly allocations. For example, if you budget 20,000 Nigerian Nairas for groceries each month, you can divide that by 4, or however many weeks are in the month, to arrive at a weekly grocery budget of 5,000 Nigerian Nairas. You'll do this for all your spending categories. Rocket Money allows you to set these recurring weekly or monthly targets for each category. While it might primarily think in monthly terms, the beauty is in how you interpret the data it provides on a weekly basis. 2. Real-time tracking and visibility. Once your budget is set, the magic of Rocket Money truly begins. Every transaction you make is automatically pulled into the app and categorized. This means you can open Rocket Money at any point during the week and see exactly how much you've spent in each category and, crucially, how much you have left for the remainder of the week. No more guessing games. That quick stop for suya after work? It's logged. That online shopping spree you couldn't resist? It's there. This real-time visibility is paramount for staying on track with a weekly budget. It provides immediate feedback, allowing you to adjust your spending habits before you overspend. 3. Customizing alerts and notifications. To take your weekly budgeting to the next level, leverage Rocket Money's alert system. You can set up custom notifications to warn you when you're approaching your weekly limit in a specific category. Imagine getting an alert when you've spent 4,000 Nigerian Nairas out of your 5,000 Nigerian Nairas weekly grocery budget. This can be a powerful trigger to be more mindful of your remaining spending for the week. Explore the different notification options within the app. You might want daily summaries of your spending or specific alerts for larger transactions. Tailor these notifications to your needs and preferences to stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. 4. Identifying spending patterns and adjusting your budget. Over time, as Rocket Money tracks your spending week after week, you'll start to see clear patterns emerge. Maybe you consistently overspend on weekend entertainment or your transportation costs are higher than you initially estimated. This data is invaluable for refining your weekly budget. Rocket Money provides insights and reports that can help you visualize these trends. Use this information to make informed adjustments to your budget categories. Perhaps you need to allocate more to transportation and less to dining out, or vice versa. The flexibility of a weekly budget, combined with Rocket Money's tracking capabilities, allows for continuous optimization. 5. Utilizing Rocket Money's subscription management features, indirectly. While not directly tied to weekly budgeting, Rocket Money's ability to identify and cancel unwanted subscriptions indirectly supports your efforts. Those recurring monthly charges can significantly impact your weekly cash flow. By eliminating unnecessary subscriptions, you free up more funds that can be allocated to your weekly spending categories, making it easier to stick to your targets. Take some time to review the subscriptions Rocket Money identifies. You might be surprised at how many you've forgotten about. Canceling these can provide a welcome boost to your weekly budget. 6. Setting financial goals, and how weekly budgets help achieve them. Rocket Money also allows you to set financial goals, whether it's saving for a down payment on a car, a vacation to Obudu Cattle Ranch, or simply building an emergency fund. A weekly budget acts as a crucial stepping stone towards achieving these larger goals. By effectively managing your weekly spending, you ensure that you have more money left over at the end of each week to allocate towards your savings goals. Think of your weekly budget as the micromanagement that fuels your macro-financial aspirations. Rocket Money helps you see this connection by showing how your daily and weekly spending habits contribute to your overall financial progress. 7. Staying motivated and accountable. Let's be honest, budgeting can sometimes feel tedious. But Rocket Money's user-friendly interface and visual representations of your spending can make the process more engaging. Seeing your progress in real time and receiving those timely alerts can provide a sense of accomplishment and keep you motivated to stick to your plan. Furthermore, the data Rocket Money provides can hold you accountable. It's no longer just a vague feeling that you're overspending. The numbers are right there in black and white, or whatever color theme you choose. This objective feedback can be a powerful motivator for making positive changes to your spending habits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.